Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the Game Space application in the Realme X7 Pro device after the recent update. So recently, I did receive the software update in this phone, and let's see, friends, is there any new improvements in the Game Space in the Realme X7 Pro device or not? So this is a phone which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor. You can clearly see here. So recently I did receive the software update in this phone, and after the update I did so many other videos so regarding the performance and PUBG 90 FPS, Call of Duty gameplay test, and this is another video which I thought of doing after the software update thing. So make sure to follow me regularly and also do subscribe for this kind of interesting live wallpaper. So make sure to check the links in description, friends. There's a links available in the description for the Realme X7 Pro device, and not only that, even there's a wallpapers available for the playlist as well. So they'll try to check the playlist and you'll find this kind of interesting live wallpapers. So first thing is that let me quickly open the Game Space. So it's the same animation and same sound effects which I did receive before and even right now. So there's nothing much change right now is going on here, and even this will be the another complete tutorial as well regarding the Game Space in this phone. So most of the users, they will get to know about the Game Space here, what's going on and how is the interface and everything. So this is how it looks, friends, the interface and the sound effects you can see here. So you don't get any vibration feedback when you are trying to change the games, but you do get in the other smartphones like Poco X3 and the Mi 10i because of the game turbo. But right now there is no vibration going on, and there is another layout, so which is a basic simple layout. So usually I try to use this kind of effective layout, this also, which will give you the real very good experience while using this Game Space. And if you see from the bottom, so all these three all the options are same kind of options which are available in the previous update, so there is nothing much difference. And the one thing is that you will get to know the network latency and how much battery left, how many hours you can play. And 4D vibrations, it's not working in most of the applications, only few applications will be working that. And even you can use the brightness lock as well and reduce the latency in single sim mode. So this is also another option which is available, so which is a really good thing. And automatically adjust the resolution to save the power, so if you want you can adjust, you can enable that option as well. So these are the four options which you will be getting here. Not only that, there is another option which is called the competitive balanced and low power mode, as you can see, friends. So which is option hidden. If you tap here, you won't be able to know unless you tap on that one. So that's why it's very important to get to know each and every feature. In-depth reviews I'll try to explain similarly like this. And next is blocking all the notifications. You can block all the notifications while gaming, so that's another advantage here. And if you tap on this three dot option, you do get this four different options here. So custom cover and screen capture, playtime and game news. So let me try to quickly show you the Call of Duty game. So this is what the game I played right now. So today and yesterday I did play the game, and you can see the play timings as well, at what time you played and how much time you have played. Clearly you can see how many days, and you can change the custom cover as well. If you want, you can add your own cover. And next is also screen capture. So if you record any screen recordings, so all the screen recordings, it will be in one moment. So this is a really good advantage to see all the screen recording at one place. So if there is any game news, it will automatically redirect to the game news here. So mostly I won't be using that, but there is an option if you want to use. And next is you can add any other game into this Game Space, like Counter-Strike, which I added now, as you can see here. And you can disable as well. If you go to the settings, there's not much happening in the settings, friends. Everything was in the home screen only. So here you don't get any extra options. So you can manage the games, how many games you are using here. And next is auto update the games. If you want, you can enable that option, but this only supports a few of the applications and hiding the game icons on the home screen, so which will remove all the game icons, and every game icon will be stored only in the one Game Space. So this will hide all the games. So that is also another option. If you want, you can choose from. So next is Game Assistant. Mostly I won't be using this one, so even this one I'll try to disable. So next is Voice Changer. So there is another voice changer is available. I think it's for the free membership, I'm not sure, but I'll try to check this voice changer, and I'll try to compare with other Poco X3 and Mi 10i game turbo voice changer thing going on. So I'll try to compare with that one. So make sure to follow me regularly in case if you want to know. I'm unable to hear the voice, so I'm not sure what's happening here. But I'll try to check this feature later on. I think this was added recently, I think so. So I'll try to check this option later on. And now let me quickly open the game, let me try to show you the real-time FPS and what is the interface going on with the real-time FPS thing here. So this is a real-time game experience you do get on this top notification. As you can see, friends, when you swipe from the left or right. So this is how you get the notifications, and you can see the real-time FPS count, how much it is, 62 and 15, and you can see the CPU and GPU utilization, how much it's going on. That's another good advantage. You can block the notifications, and autoplay feature is also available. So when in a game, you can swipe from any direction to unlock the screen. So for example, let me try to start playing the game, and let me use that feature, what's going on, you will get to know. So right now I'm trying to play the game, and let me try to quickly swipe and select the feature called autoplay. I think the game will be continuously on, the screen will be a little bit off mode. You can hear the sound going on, and the screen is completely off, as you can see, friends. So just from left or right swiping, you will be get back to another gameplay. So there's another thing where you want to close the phone, but you want to keep the game running in the background. So maybe you can use similar tricks like this. So this is the game assist and game interface experience on the top. There's nothing much going on, friends, and the 4D vibration and the voice changer, these two options are only supported in a few of the games at the moment, and you do get the direct option for the screen recording here. So screen recording, voice changer, 4D vibrations, autoplay, and screenshots also you can take here. So there's an option for the taking the screenshot as well. That's another good advantage. So that's it, friends. This is a quick overall game space interface in this Realme X7 Pro. So after the update, there's nothing much changes going on here. So only here and there few changes which may not be noticed, I think, but they are very small and minute changes in my opinion. But the real thing is that still the 120 FPS bug is not got fixed. So right now I'm playing this game, which is actually 120 FPS supported game, but I'm still getting only 60 FPS count on the top, as you can see, friends, here. So this game did work 120 FPS in plenty of other low-end or low-end phones as well, but in this phone I was unable to get. So maybe I'm thinking because of the processor Dimensity 1000 plus should be getting the update, or maybe the game space, there's a problem with the game space, I think so. So either of the reasons, right now I was unable to get that 120 FPS at the moment. I was waiting for that update. Very soon I should be able to receive that. And thank you, friends, for watching this video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.